Itong paniniwala na to ay nagmula pa sa matatandang paniniwala na aking mga ninuno. So hindi naman siguro masamang subukan. Baka sakali na maghatid sa inyo ng sabi nga ay swerte.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me.
Susunod na video guys, asahan nyo, may ilalabas naman ako ng isang sekreto na talaga magagamit nyo sa larangan ng ating